Hello guys, kain tayong balatong bungon, tapos baka kanin. Ang sarap.
Ano yung pinapanood mo?
Nasa.
Huwag mong ganyan yung mukha mo. Kain na. Ang balatong ay healthy food.
Yeah.
Green leafy vegetable naman ang bungon.
Yes.
This is a super cozy place to hide, but I wish I had some pets here. Candyman, rabbits! I really hope
Guys,
Monty
alam
won't
niyo
find
ba yung nag-helquest naman ako di
Okay, now
Robbie
this
E?
is perfect.
Alam niyo na yun?
Anong kinain mo kagabi ulit?
Saludo!
Saluyot!
Ayun, saludo!
Wow, this is perfect. This room is amazing for a secret room. But does need a table, chairs, and some more supplies. Candyman, can you pass me some furniture and supplies?
Invite mo din silang kumain anak ng balatong. Sabi mo, kumain din tayo ng balatong, guys.
Kumain din kayong balatang guys.
Healthy food. Masarap.
Now the secret room.
Guys,
It's like a restaurant. You have snacks, fruit, and drinks. Now I just hope that Nastia doesn't find me. Okay, let's discover what's inside.
bye-bye guys. I love you.